10 Best Car AC Maintenance Tips. Car Learner. Car AC maintenance is essential, especially during the tropical summers one experiences. Most people enjoy long days and ice creams during summers, whereas some people who need to travel a lot worry about car maintenance. In this video, you'll get a clear picture about the car AC maintenance tips and how to maintain your AC car. 1. Check the filters of the car. Air filters are one of the most common car issues. Keeping the air filters of the car clean will help in preventing its blocking. Henceforth, car AC maintenance would be easy. In addition, wash the air filters at least once a week to keep them cool and clean. 2. Cleaning is necessary. For car AC maintenance, cleaning insides is necessary. It is because the AC duct might attract dirt and moisture from the car's insides, leading to a blockage. 3. Check radiator of the engine. The car engine's radiator is an essential aspect of car AC maintenance. In addition, the engine heats up too much, which leads to the radiator to the AC condenser. Eventually, it degrades the AC cooling. 4. Check compressor. The car AC compressor may deplete due to excessive heat and lack of proper maintenance. Therefore, keep a check on the small belts and hoses to prevent them from getting malfunctioned. 5. Focus on the sounds. Your vehicle communicates with you in the form of sounds. Focus on the sounds to detect early damage or issues. Getting them checked at a service center will save you a lot of time and money. 6. Clean the pipeline. Car AC maintenance begins with the cleaning of the gas pipelines at least once a week, making them clean, and let you know about any leakages. 7. Keep your car parts lubricated. The AC parts like compressor, pipelines, and drive belts must be lubricated frequently to prevent any ACs malfunctioning. 8. Focus on recirculation of air. Selecting the recirculation mode would save you a lot of money. Moreover, the AC compressor will be less of a burden. Maintaining the cooling of an already cooler car would take less strain on the compressor. 9. Be gentle. AC parts need to be used gently to ensure the long life of their parts. 10. Air trapped. Do not let air get trapped in your car, is exposed to sun rays for a long time. Ventilation is the key to your car AC maintenance. Car AC maintenance is simple, and keeping a note of these tips helps in maintaining its longevity. Hope these tips save you your precious time and money. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to hire a driving instructor to learn driving like a pro, book one with us now. We don't compromise on your safety and hygiene. Visit us at www.carlearner.com.